Today I'm going to be making Korean style kimchi. Here's the basic ingredients that I'm going to use. Chop your Chinese leaf and put it into a big bowl. Rub in salt. Now it's rubbed it in well, wilted down nicely. Cover it in cold water and leave it for a couple of hours. We need to grind these up in a pestle and mortar or a spice grinder, and we'll also need to chop out the veg. Now let's ground into a nice thick paste, as you can see here. Drain the Chinese leaf, squeeze it out, and then rinse it another time and squeeze it. Wash, slice and chop the other ingredients. Add all our ingredients and the paste, and once that's all nicely mixed up, transfer to jars to ferment. Add a little more water if you need to. For a kiln jar you could just unclip the end and just leave it with the rubber seal so that the air can escape but not get in. Leave it for a few days at room temperature, 2 to 6 days, until it stops bubbling. Fermentation bubbling away. And then transfer to the fridge for a week or two.